All right, people. What's up? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to my entrepreneurs, to my chefs, to my cafe owners. You know who you are. To my restaurant owners, to my amazing home cooks. I'm talking to anybody that has an entrepreneurial spirit or wants to have one, and in particular wants to do this with a product, right? A food product, right? My name's Ed Harris. I have launched over 40 products, and I'm talking from beauty products with my other companies to a bunch of food products, right? Pancake and waffle mixes, spices, seasonings, sauces, you name it, all kinds of crazy stuff I've launched. And I've done it for the past 15 years. So I say this to say, for those of you watching this video, if you ever thought about having your own seasoning line, your own sauce line, any product line that you can think about, right, that has to do with food, because this is my food channel, right? So we're gonna do food. But if this is something that you've thought about doing and you basically have no idea where to begin, where to end, how to go about it, then you're in the right place. Like literally, I can help you from A to Z when it comes to launching a product, from getting your website up and running, from connecting you with a fulfillment center so they can ship the products for you. So while you're sleeping, right, while you're having fun with your kids, while you're in the Bahamas chilling, your products is being shipped out for you, right? I can help you set that up, right? I can help you with the labels for the packaging. I can help you with the jars, the bottling. I can help you with creating the seasonings, the recipes for the spices, for the sauces. Like I'm talking about a complete full suite, right, of services that I can offer you for you to launch your product from start to finish. So it doesn't matter what part of the journey you are when it comes to launching your product. I can help you finish it. I can help you scale. I can help you with whatever you might need, right? So if this is something that you've been thinking about doing, then hit me up. Let me know. I will be more than happy to assist you, right? This is what I do for a living. I help people launch products. I help people open restaurants. I help people fulfill their dreams, realize their dreams when it comes to culinary, right? So I say this to say, I'm waiting for you, right? And you know who I'm talking to, you watching right now that wants to start your own seasoning line, wants to start your own sauce line, wants to start your own pancake line, your own waffle mix, your own cake mix. Like I'm telling you, like literally, I have vendors for all of these things, right? So all you have to do is email me and say, hey, Chef Ed, I want to start my own seasoning line. I want to start my own hot sauce line. I got you. It's nothing for me to help you get this done, right? So comment down below or send me an email. You can email me at chefedharris@gmail.com, or you can email me at ed@knifeandspoon.com, right? Pick one, email me, I will get it, and then we can go from there, all right? And we can work together on fulfilling your dreams of having a food line, a product line, and we can launch as many items as you want or as little as you want. It's totally up to you, all right? Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications, and make sure you comment and leave me a message. Ask a question about anything that you're thinking about before we go any further. You just let me know. I'm here for you. Until next time, later.